The first principle that went into designing this course is that I believe that information is a lot like nutrition. Imagine that you're standing in a great big apple orchard and you decide that you want to go and consume all the nutrients that are in these apples. So it's a pretty big orchard. So you could take the time to walk through the orchard and climb up the trees and one by one grab each of those apples and pull them off and rub them on your shirt and then munch through the apples to get the nutrition in those apples. And that would take a lot of effort and processing on your end. But another method is instead you could actually have a whole team of people move through the orchard. And they go through with trucks and use different kinds of technology to get all the different apples off and washed. And then they take those apples and they juice them and then provide you with a little glass of juice that you could take all the nutrients in those apples and you could just consume it in a few gulps. And so you have two different styles of processing nutrition. One where it takes a lot of processing on the front end for the user when they can get the nutrition, but it takes a lot of effort. And another method where somebody else in a team moves to the nutrition and processes it on the back end so that the person on the front end can just have something designed for consumption that makes it really easy to consume that nutrition. Well, I believe that information is a lot like nutrition and that a lot of principles can be used to take information and process it so that it's designed for consumption, so that you can take that information, down it like a nice shot of juice and say, that information feels good.